So right now, let's talk luxury real estate. First, I think we need to talk about and define what luxury real estate is, and I want to debunk the myth that everyone thinks in central Connecticut that luxury real estate is defined as a seven-figure home, and that is simply not the truth. And in fact, the definition for luxury in central Connecticut is actually $500,000 and up. So now in a lot of the areas here in central Hartford area, Glastonbury, Rocky Hill, West Hartford, Avon, Farmington, those areas, that number is not really considered the luxury market, and I would think of the luxury market as $750,000 to $800,000 and up. And I get this information from the Institute of Luxury Home Marketing, and I am a certified luxury home marketing specialist. I have earned that distinction for the past 2 years, and actually going on 3 years, and it's a distinction that very few agents have in the central Connecticut area. And the statistics that I'm able to achieve at my fingertips, not only monthly but on a rolling basis, continues to talk about how it is a seller's market. And so inventory is down 25%, the solds are up 31%, median sale price is up 13%. So these are all things that we've heard over and over. And again, these are statistics that I'm able to get from the Institute. But let's talk a little bit about what's happening right here in our area, which happens to be Glastonbury, Avon, West Hartford. So when we look at what's happening in the Glastonbury luxury market, in the $600,000 to $700,000 range, sales are up 17%, $700,000 to $800,000 up 70%. If we go up to the $900,000 to $1 million, they're up 166%. $1 million to $1.25 million, up 50%. And as we get up to the $2 to $2.5 million, that has not changed. That remains steadfast. If we then take a look at what's happening in West Hartford using the same data, and that's on a 12-month rolling basis. So a lot of that still continues. $600,000 to $700,000 is up 108%. $800,000 to $900,000 is up 80%. $900,000 to $1 million is up 350%, and this is in West Hartford. $1 million to $1.5 is up 450%. So if you can imagine that, those stats of numbers of sales are up quite a bit. And days on market in February are down considerably from what they were in December of 19, for instance, of 226 days. In West Hartford now we're down to 18 days. Price per square foot, of course, continues to skyrocket. And that, again, is also the same from what we've been talking about in Glastonbury. Though, interesting, in Glastonbury, the days on market are increasing. So if you are a seller in this area, and you are in Glastonbury specifically, and you are in the luxury market, and you have been thinking about selling, you really need to stop thinking about it, because we don't know if that trend's going to continue and days on market are going to go up, or if they're going to remain steadfast. So all very interesting ideas about the luxury market. I hope I've debunked some of your beliefs about the luxury market. I hope I've educated you a little bit on the luxury market. And if you want to know more about that luxury market, give me a call, and I look forward to helping you navigate the waters and provide a straight path for you to move in the future. Take care.